my tinies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I am 4'10" and on my good days I am 4'11". But anyways, today's video, girls, is gonna be on this makeup look. It is also a first impression kind of thing using this Temptations palette by Julie Gutierrez and Midas Cosmetics. And you guys know how much I rave about Midas Cosmetics and blah 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 blah. You know, come on, like, who wouldn't? Look at this. These shades right here are like amazing for fall. Like, when I saw these shades all right here, I was like, holy cow, that is my fall palette for now. Now, this one over here reminds me of spring and summer and a little bit of Easter, you know, with these two pastels or three pastels. But mostly these are like your very, very pretty colors. Like freaking amazing. But you guys have like best of both worlds here, and they just came out with their like new coffee palette for fall. And yeah, I need to buy those, but right now I'm kind of tight with money, and so I can't get them. I mean, for you to get a fall look, you don't have to have like the latest thing or whatever. You can create like super cute fall looks with the makeup that you guys already have. I have had this one for a while. They actually sent it to me. No, actually I bought this one. Now, they sent me the floral palette for PR, which was my first PR, guys. I was so excited because I received my first Midas Cosmetics PR. Now, that's a big accomplishment for me, at least, because that's my first makeup PR, guys. Like, it's amazing. I'm so proud of myself, which made me want to come back and do more videos, you know, so I can just feel more accomplished. But anyways, this is a look that I created using this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It kind of gives me fall vibes as well, but not so much. And the lashes that I am using are actually by Caked Up Ray. Come on, focus here. This is them, and it is Friend. So, and now these lashes are freaking bomb. Like, I really love them. So, she does ship Mondays only because she is a full-time worker, and she's got her own life, and I understand. So if you order like on Wednesday, it's gonna take a while. She will ship on Mondays. That's her only shipping day, so that's just another thing. It is on her website, but I did not read it, and I feel like mine was taking a little bit longer than just a week, and I didn't get a confirmation message or email or whatever, but I guess she did. I'm assuming maybe my kids got into my email and erased it or something like that. But anyways, with that being said, my tinies, I am back, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, I am into this same setup as always because I decided to move back and actually film in my area. I feel like this little area, this little nook that I have is kind of my nook, you know? So yeah, I am back and I'm happy, and so I hope you guys enjoy this look, and make sure to keep on watching. Bye, my tinies. Alright, my tinies, so we're going to start with this palette Temptation from Midas Cosmetics, and look at how freaking gorgeous this palette is. It's just beautiful. I absolutely love it. You got your cool and neutral tones or warm tones, whatever, but they're so pretty. We're going to start off with the shade Midnight, and you guys know it. I always use my M506
brush from Morphe, and you just start out from the outside, from the outer V, and just work your way in. Use little patting motions, you know, whatever you like to do, and just work your way in. Next shade is Aurora, and this is just kind of like a super pretty burnt brown. It's really, really pretty. I absolutely love this shade, and my Morphe M506, and I'm just gonna place it right above the midnight shade, just above. Like, make sure half of the brush is over the previous color and half of it is right above it. That way you get that nice, beautiful blend. And this is honestly how I always do my makeup. Just make sure half of the brush is on and half of the brush is off the color. Concealer from e.l.f. and I am using a super round flat brush that I got a few years ago from Shop Miss A. I super love this brush. Now I'm just gonna say it's a half cut crease, so just take your time on this crease, because this concealer is like super good. It's like amazing. Like it literally works. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's my first time using it, but I really like it. There's a lot of pigmentation to this concealer, so yeah, take your time. shimmery or whatever you want to call it, but just use patting motions and swiping motions. I like patting just because it gets more results for the shade, but just use whatever you prefer, you know. It's okay, get the job done regardless. Now just make sure to blend the outer V into that flush shade, and you guys will be like all set to go. Like honestly, this look is beautiful. I really enjoy it. But as I said, I am back, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, this is actually, come on, this is a finished look right here. These lashes are bomb, highlighters poppin', you know. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my tinies. Mwah!